and welcome back to Stat Skill Hub. I'm Dr. Asha Jindal. In my last video, I introduced you to Jamovi, the free, powerful alternative to SPSS. If you haven't watched that yet, I will leave the link in the description box below. Today, we are going to do something very practical and interesting. I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Jamovi on your computer and laptop step by step, whether you are using Windows, Mac, or Linux. I will also show you the cloud version of Jamovi so you can use it directly in your browser without downloading anything at all. So let's get started. In this video, we'll be talking about system requirement, then how to download Jamovi from its official website, how to use cloud version, how to install particularly for operating systems like Windows and Mac, and how does its first interface look like. Before we download Jamovi, let's quickly check the system requirements to make sure my computer is ready. For Windows user, Windows 7 or later with 64-bit operating system, 4 GB RAM recommended with 500 MB disk space. For Mac users, Mac operating system 10.11 or later with 64-bit processor, 4 GB RAM recommended with 500 MB disk space. For Linux user, 18.04 or later with 64-bit system, 4 GB RAM recommended with 500 MB disk space. Don't worry if you are not sure about your system. Most modern computers made after 2015 will run Jamovi perfectly. Also, Jamovi is completely free. You don't need to enter any credit card details or create an account to download it. In my next section, I'm going to talk about how to download Jamovi. For that, one has to go first to the www.jamovi.org. You will see a clean homepage with a download button right at the top. Click on download button. You will now see the two versions available. One is solid, another is the current. Solid is stable for beginners and it's a recommended version for most users. If you are beginners, this is the best option available. Current is the latest version with newest features but may have occasional bugs. I always recommend beginners start with the solid version. It is reliable and well tested. Select your operating system from Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click on your operating system and download will begin automatically. The file size is approximately 500 MB, so it may take a few minutes depending on the internet speed. While it's downloading, let me show you the cloud version. Did you know you can use Jamovi directly in your browser without downloading anything? For that, one need to go www.jamovi.cloud. Click Launch Jamovi, and just like that, Jamovi opens right inside your browser. No installation needed. This is perfect if you are using a school or work computers where you can't install softwares or still you have to carry out analysis. So try this cloud version without downloading it. However, for the best experience and full features, I recommend downloading the desktop version. So let's go back to our installation. For Windows installation, first I will go to download folder, find .exe file, Double click the installer file, click next in the setup wizard, accept the license agreement, click install and wait 1 to 2 minutes, and then finish button will appear. Click finish, Jamovi is installed. I'm taking you to my download version. Before that to Jamovi website. Just see here www.jamovi.org. You have here two options available for Windows, and all other releases are also there, which you can check it down, down, down. So here 2.6.44 solid, double click this option. It has started downloading in your download folder. I will stop as I have already downloaded many versions of it. So this version is getting downloaded. File size is approximately 500 MB. So it is taking time. You can open here itself. Yes. Message is Jamovi 2.6.44 is already installed. If you are wanting to run Jamovi, you will find it available in your Windows Start menu. Since in mine it is installed, so you can't see setup wizard, but I'm sure the steps given in PPT will help you out to run all that thing and install it successfully in your PC. For Mac users can follow all these steps and can install it through this. So now I will say Jamovi is installed. Jamovi. Click. Let's take a very quick first look at the interface. It has two main panels. Left panel, this is like data spreadsheet where you enter or import your data and it looks like Excel. Right panel, this is the result panel where all your statistical output appears in the real time. And at the top, you could see menu bar with various options like variables, define your data, data to manage your data set, analyzes where all the statistical tests are, edit to customize your output. In my next video, I will give you complete tour to the Jamovi interface so you know exactly where everything is. But till not that, Jamovi is installed and ready to go. So that's it for today. You have successfully downloaded and installed Jamovi on your computer. In the next video, I will take you on the complete tour of the Jamovi interface so you will feel confident navigating the software before we start any kind of analysis. I request to subscribe to Stat Skill Hub for weekly tutorials and I will see you in next one. Till that, happy analyzing.